Hi, welcome to Katerina Finds. Let's review this multifunctional double-sided cutting board. Comes in a nice package. This is how it's wrapped in the bubble wrap. I love this idea of having one cutting board for everything. Look at this. And take a look at this side. Beautiful. The stainless steel cutting board featuring an anti-slip design with silicone edging that securely grips on the countertop, preventing movement during use. This stability ensures safer, more precise cutting and reduces the chance of accidental slips. Both sides of the stainless steel cutting board for kitchen are non-porous, which means that they won't absorb any juices or odors from the food, helping to prevent any lingering food residue and odors. This cutting board is versatile 2-in-1 kitchen tool with one side made of food grade 3 or 4 stainless steel for cutting raw and cooked meat. The other side is made of wheat straw PP material for cutting vegetables and fruits. The material on both sides is not sticky. You can rinse with water to keep it clean. Please clean the cutting board on time after cutting meat or vegetables and hang it to dry. There is a portable part on the cutting board for easy carrying and handling. I am personally very careful about using plastic in my kitchen, but after I cut so many vegetables, I saw no cut on the plastic side of this board. So I'm pretty satisfied with the quality of it. The lightweight design makes it easy to carry, and its solid structure ensures that it will not be deformed or easily broken. Very suitable for all kinds of cooking tasks, whether you are rolling dough, kneading bread, cutting fruits, vegetables, or slicing, dicing, and even serving. It can be suitable for all of those tasks. These cutting boards feature a deep juice groove to collect liquids and prevent spills. Also, it has built-in grinding area allow for quick grinding during the food preparation, saving time. I love that this cutting board is so easy to clean. You can also run it in dishwasher. The best benefit that it's created from BPA-free wheat straw material. I very much recommend this cutting board as needed tool in the kitchen.